Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Ms. Wajia Fareed and I am your English teacher for class 1. Today we will learn about the unit number 2, which is about apples. So, let's start. We will do the reading and I will explain you the whole lesson that what they want to tell us in this unit. So, first of all, students, do you know about apple? Apple is a very juicy and a very crunchy fruit. As you people know that apple is very good for our health. Apple is very beneficent and a very good fruit. It can protect our bones as well. So we have to take an apple every day. Okay, let's discuss the parts of an apple. So here's the first part, which is called stem. As you can see in the picture, and secondly there is a leaf, and third is the skin of an apple, as you can see in the picture. Okay ji, now move towards this part. What is this? This is flesh. Okay, what is flesh? Flesh is the juicy part of an apple which is inside the apple. Okay, next is seeds. As you people know that when we cut the apple we found seeds in it, so here are the seeds. Okay, now this is core. What is core? Seeds are present in the core. So this is all about apple and its part. Okay, here are the some meanings which I want to discuss with you. First is juicy. What is the meaning of juicy? Juicy means watery. Second is munch. Munch means chew. The third is twig. Twig means a small branch. As you can see, so many branches on the tree. So here are the words meanings. Now students, you have to open your English books and you have to take out your page number 8. So we have to start reading. So let's start. Kindly put your fingers on your books. Apples. Do you like apples? They are juicy and crunchy. They are very good for you. Apples have skin, flesh, a core, seeds, a stem, and leaves. As we have discussed all these parts in the previous slide. So this is about the apple, that it's juicy and crunchy and it's very good for our health, and it has skin, flesh, a core, seeds, a stem, and leaves. Okay, parts of an apple. So let's discuss the parts of an apple. The flesh is the juicy part inside, as we have discussed before. The core is in the middle. It has seeds in it. As you can see the core in the previous slide, it has seeds in it. The seeds are small and brown. The seeds are small and brown in color. Okay. They can grow into new apple trees if you plant them and take care of them. Okay. Okay. The stem is the little twig that holds the apple on the tree. Okay. What is the part of the stem? That it holds the apple on the tree. It brings food and water into the apple. So what is the part of this stem? That it brings food and water into the apple. Okay. The leaves cover the branches of the apple tree. The leaves make food for the apple so it can grow. Oh, the main part of the leaves are that they can make the food for apple so that they can grow. So this is all about the parts of an apple. Okay, the apple. Take an apple and cut it into 2 or maybe cut it into 4. Before you eat it, see the view that is deep within the core. Leaves and stem on every bunch, colorful skin outside, juicy flesh for you to munch, and brown seeds tucked inside. What they want to tell us, that you have to take an apple and you have to cut it into 2, or it's your choice that you can cut it into 4 pieces. So what you found, before you eat you can see the view that is deep. Okay, you can see the core which is inside the apple, leaves and stem on every bunch, colorful skin. As you know that apples have colorful skin outside. Okay, juicy flesh for you to munch. Okay, When you bite an apple, you found it very juicy and brown seeds tucked inside. What is the meaning of tucked? Tucked means inserted inside. That seeds are inserted inside the apple. Okay. Okay, let's move towards the word sentences. So you have to make the sentences of these words. So the first word is stem. You can make this sentence of stem like this: roses have thorns on their stems. Second is care. We have to take care of plants. Or you can make the sentence like this: we have to take care of our family. Or you can make the sentence like this: we have to take care of our parents. So the third word is food. You can make the sentence of food like this: this food is salty. Or you can say this food is very delicious. So this is all about the word sentences. Okay, let's move towards the homework, which is very important. So this is about handwriting. You have to write any paragraph. You have to choose any paragraph from unit number 2, and you have to write that paragraph with the very correct formation and with a proper one finger gap. So you have to do this homework. Thank you, students. Take care.